Driver wait for morning, starting motor.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning an Igbo phrase, shoe. Akpukpubukwu. 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 Akpukpubukwu is shoe. Yes. And now we're going to make sentences just to help you with your vocabulary. Yes, I bring out these words just with sentences to improve in your vocabulary. Now, let's begin. Akpukpubukwu ndị a epeka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a epeka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a epeka. Watch my lips. Akpukpubukwu ndị a epeka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a epeka. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't forget, because I know most times you forget and you don't do it. Please support my channel by subscribing to this video, and that motivates me to bring in more content, just like how I've been delivering. If you check my videos, you'll see so much videos to watch, and after watching them, trust me, you'll be very good with your vocabulary. Let's continue. Akpukpubukwu ndị a pụrụ iche. 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 It basically means that these shoes are different. You went to market to buy shoes, and they are just different from what you are saying. They are different from the other. You say akpukpubukwu ndị a pụrụ iche. Akpukpubukwu ndị a dị ọnụ ana. 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 These shoes are cheap. These shoes are not costly. These shoes are not costly. Yes. Akpukpubukwu ndị a dị ọnụ. 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 These shoes are expensive. These shoes are costly. Akpukpubukwu ndị a ebuka. 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 These shoes are big. Maybe you bought a shoe and it's not your size. You say akpukpubukwu ndị a ebuka. This shoe is big on my feet. Akpukpubukwu ndị a ebuka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a emebiwo. Akpukpubukwu ndị a emebiwo. Anambra will say akpukpubukwu ndị a emebiela. They basically mean the same thing, but for the sake of Igbo Nzube, the central Igbo, I'm going to use emebiwo. Akpukpubukwu ndị a emebiwo. But I grew up saying emebiela because I'm Anambra, but it's still the same meaning. Akpukpubukwu ndị a emebiwo. These shoes are spoilt. These shoes are destroyed. These shoes are damaged. Akpukpubukwu ndị a bụ nke m. 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 These shoes are mine. These shoes are my own. They are mine. These shoes are mine. Akpukpubukwu ndị a amaka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a amaka. akpukpubukwu ndị a amaka. These shoes are fine. These shoes are beautiful. Akpukpubukwu ndị a ajọka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a ajọka. Akpukpubukwu ndị a ajọka. These shoes are ugly. These shoes are ugly. Gbaziere m akpukpubukwu gị. Gbaziere m akpukpubukwu gị. Borrow me your shoe. Gbaziere m akpukpubukwu gị. Gbaziere m akpukpubukwu gị. You can also say binye m akpukpubukwu gị. I grew up saying binye m. And like I said, for the sake of Central Igbo, we're going to use gbaziere m. But if you want, if binye m is easier for you, I'm going to write it on the screen as well. You can use it. We will understand you perfectly. Gbaziere m akpukpubukwu gị. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're seeing my other videos and you like content, you like what you're saying. Please put down in the comment sections other words, other sentences or phrases you can make alongside what we spoke about today. Put down in the comment section also the videos you want me to bring across to you. Guys, subscribe to my channel, also share so that other people can have knowledge of this channel. Thank you very much for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye.